Well, we all experience headaches from time to time, and often we just try to live with it. But headache flare-ups and chronic headaches can disrupt daily life.
Yeah, they can, and it can make, I guess, migraine patients seeking a quick, local, effective treatment can get it at Empilify Health by Bellin's Urgent Headache Clinic. We're hearing now from nurse practitioner Jackie Etienne. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Let's start out with what causes headaches generally.
Yeah, so this can be really frustrating for patients because the causes of migraines are not well identified. It's thought that environmental factors along with genetics can play a role. We know that there are certain conditions that can cause headaches, such as strokes, traumatic brain injuries, and brain tumors. And there are triggers as well. So different triggers for patients, which seem to really make migraines more frequent or more severe. Those triggers include overuse of medications, and sometimes it's medications that actually they're taking to get rid of their migraine. They take too much of it.
And then that's causing the headache even more.
Yep.
Okay.
So there's that, along with alcohol, caffeine, poor diet, lack of sleep. Those are all things that can really trigger migraines.
What is the difference when you think about a headache and a migraine?
Yeah, so a headache is really a broad term for head pain. There's many different types of headaches. The most common include tension headaches and migraines. So providers can basically take a patient's symptoms along with their history, exam, and determine the type of headache they're having.
When you have a headache, you want to get relief as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the Empilify Health by Bellin Headache Clinic. How do we get that service and what do you offer?
Yeah, so this service allows patients and healthcare providers to call our clinic and get a same-day appointment for patients that have a migraine that day. So our goal is to obviously very quickly and effectively treat their current migraine and then kind of come up with a plan as far as if this comes back and if this becomes more frequent. So
Is something where they need to have this headache for a certain amount of time, or it's just it comes on, you can call?
Exactly. Yep.
Jackie, talk a little bit about how we know when it's time to see someone. Like you said in the intro, we all get headaches from time to time. When do you think it's time that we call the clinic or at least make an appointment with a provider?
Yeah, so for the urgent headache clinic specifically, there's no certain guidelines that say you have to wait a certain amount of time or anything like that. That's really a same-day appointment that you can get in and talk about things. But it's generally a good idea if it's affecting your day-to-day life and you're getting frequent migraines to see someone for that.
And I know you wanted to share a story about what patients are saying about this service that you're offering.
Oh, yeah. So we're getting a lot of positive, basically patients just love the fact that they can get in the same day and get rid of their migraine. So it's been really positive so far. So we're trying to, get the word out about it.
Very cool.
All right, well, you can learn more about the Empilify Health by Bellin Headache Clinic. Head to bellin.org or make an appointment for that same-day service at 920-548-9300. Thank you, Jackie.
Thanks,
Thank
Jackie.
you.